My name is Daniel, and in this video I would like to talk about why our diet is so important. So to give you a little context, for about a month, I started to eat probably 95% healthy. I mostly eat rice, pasta, chicken, beef, eggs. I also like Greek yogurt with fruits like bananas, kiwi, strawberries, uh, dates also, and with little honey. And this is mostly my diet most of the time. But the other 5% is like I don't know, in the weekend when I come home, because I live in Iași, but in the weekend I come in my home country, which is very very close. And because I buy my own food, I in from Monday to Friday I eat clean. I don't cheat. I don't cheat at all. But in the weekends when I come home, I don't cook my meals, and sometimes I can, I don't know, eat something that has I don't know, a cake or something. I can eat, or I don't know, a sweet, something like that. But most of the time I eat very clean, and because of it, to be honest with you, at first I don't know, it was kind of strange because I didn't feel as good. Because I go to the gym every day. I felt like sometimes I felt kind of weak, but after, even though sometimes maybe I don't eat much, or I don't eat much, or I don't know, I skip a meal, I feel good, because when I do eat, I eat healthy, and the meat that I eat, like beef, chicken, it gives me energy for the entire day. Also fruits, because they give you a lot of energy, and honey also gives you a lot of energy. And I think even though it sometimes can be difficult to follow a strict diet, I think it does pay off, because you feel good, you start to look better, and your mind is clearer. You can think more clear, because if you I saw an project, let's say, that they gave mouses fast food meals, and then they gave also to a mouse, they gave him healthy food, and the one that ate mostly fast food, they lost their ability to find shelter, because they put them both in a pool of water, and there was an escape, and the one that ate fast food didn't find that.